Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globewater Magazine Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the one product which can get you more sales or can help you increase your sales, and that one product is quite underrated. Not many people are optimizing their artwork, their designs for that particular product. So I'm going to talk about that product and how you can use that product to get more sales for your own print on demand business online. Now this product is not completely related to the Redbubble or to TeePublic. It's related to the other print on demand platform as well. So if you want to know more about this product to help you get more sales on your own print on demand business, then stick till the end of this video. And also guys, I have a free guide, 60 plus niches free guide for your own print on demand for your Redbubble shop right now. If you want to check that free guide, the link of this free guide description box below, you can download it completely for free, and these contain 60 plus free niches ideas on which you can start making your own print on demand designs right now and can start selling. And also I have a free print on demand graphics, a complete bundle that is 40 plus 49 free graphics for you to use in your own making your own print on demand designs. The link of that free bundle is in the description box below. You can download that free graphic bundle right now and can start using these graphics for making your own print on demand designs right now. So the link of both these things are in the description box below. You can guys, and before going into the good part, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content. Now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. Okay, so that is the one product which is quite there on various different websites, and it's not just about the Redbubble, TeePublic or something like that. If you have your Printful, like if you have your own website where you're selling your own print on demand products by integrating with the Printful or the Guten or selling on through the Etsy, then this product is also for you. So this product is the greeting cards. Now the greeting card is also can help you increase sales. It's quite underrated, like not many people are utilizing it. If you go into the Redbubble, there are many designs which are not well optimized for the greeting cards, and greeting cards sell well. Yes guys, because if you look for the trending design for the Valentine, the Easter's, birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day or any other occasion out there, many people are actually buying these greeting cards, and not many people are actually optimizing their art, their design for this particular product. So let me give you some example talking about how you can utilize this product and how you can get more sales. You can make the specific design for this particular product. For example, the birthday greeting cards, the anniversary greeting cards, the Mother's Day greeting cards. You can also include the trending design, trending niches as well. For example, if you are targeting the Valentine, then you can make a specific design for the greeting cards and can upload that specific design or art for the greeting cards for specifically about the Valentine. So you can target the trending niches as well, or the evergreen. In the evergreen, it comes the birthday, anniversaries, and graduation day, or you can also target the baby shower day or something like that. You can target all these things for that specific greeting card. Or if you want to go with the trends, then obviously it's a Valentine, the Christmas, the Halloween, the Easters, the Independence Day, the Mother's Day, and various different days that comes all throughout the year. So you can target it according to. Guys, now I'm gonna talk about some design ideas for specifically about your greeting cards, because the people would be thinking, what would be the design ideas? What would be the niche idea? What are the so you can target the nature niche. Yes, there are many designs that are particularly focusing on the greeting cards, especially in the nature niche, like a scenery or some tree, or even you can target the galaxy niche. Galaxy niche is also looking quite good onto the greeting cards. Then apart from that, you can also target the animal niches, like the animal designs related to on the specifically on the greeting cards. Then you can make some quotes design, because many people who are looking for the specific days, you can make that specific days related to the quotes. For example, if you're targeting the Mother's Day, then you can use a beautiful quote with a specifically catering to the mothers on that greeting card, and then you can put the same design on the t-shirt as well, onto the different print on demand product as well. So in this way you can modify this product and can use it very well. It's selling well. Not many people are utilizing it guys. If you actually go into the Redbubble and look for the t-shirts and also look for the greeting cards, you're gonna see that many people have optimized the design for the t-shirts, but not many people have optimized it for the greeting cards because it's quite underrated. Not many people are focusing on it and all that, but it's the product that's selling well because greeting cards and cards sell so well, specifically on particular occasion or events. And if you go for the birthdays or the anniversaries, then it's just the evergreen. Like every day there is person has been born, so every day there is a birthday for some person, so obviously people will going to look out for purchasing those cards. So it's an evergreen. If you're catering to the birthday, obviously you need to make a specific design for the birthday and anniversary, because if you're targeting like the happy birthday or some birthday code, then you need to specifically cater the then you need to make another specific design for your greeting card, which not be good looking onto the t-shirt, because if you have a t-shirt with a happy birthday, it won't look that good in comparison to the greeting card. So it's just a one step ahead of the crowd to get the more sales, and also to optimize your designs for all the products. And also guys, since not many people do that, just very few people do that, like many people just focus on the stickers, the t-shirts, and some 2 or 3 products, and they leave it like that, and they don't optimize it for all the product, because it actually takes a time. It actually takes more time to optimize your designs or your products for all the designs, for all the, like to optimize your designs for all the products. It actually takes some time. So not many people do it, guys, and right now the competition is huge. If you check out the other print on demand or websites out there or anything, you're going to see that the competition is huge. Competition is increasing day by day, and if you want to really stand out from the crowd, then you really need to have some specific theme or some specific style. If you are an artist like me, or if you're a designer who have a specific style or specific theme or specific niche or trending design or something like that, then obviously you can stand out. But if you are a normal person who don't have that specific style and you're just creating the design, then obviously optimizing your design for every product will really going to help you a lot to stand out from the market. To actually people who gonna land on your shop will see that your product is optimized for all the product, and it's just not that you need to just put it on just for the sake of that. No, you actually need to go and see that this particular design is looking good on that product or not. If it's not looking good, then you need to take one step ahead and you need to upload a separate design for that particular product. So this will going to take some time, but it's really worth doing it. It's really worth your time and effort, guys, because if we just see on the print on demand business out there, if you're just solely focusing on the clothing like the t-shirts or the stickers and leaving other products behind, then you are missing something in the print on demand market, and you want to get more sales, because these things sells well. Also the tapestries, the duvet covers, these products sells well, guys. People purchase them. Obviously they not many people purchase them in comparison to t-shirt and stickers, but why you need to leave these things in behind? If you're just uploading your design, then obviously you need to use all the things that they have on their marketplace and optimize it well to get more sales. So guys, greeting card is really awesome. I'm going to tell you, take a step ahead and do this thing, because it will really going to help you. Of course, it's more time. You need to give it more time. You need to optimize your design for specifically for the greeting card, because some design don't look on the greeting cards, so you need to specifically go and optimize it. If you are preparing for the birthdays or the anniversaries, then you need to specifically make a separate design for your greeting card. But it's really worth your time and effort. Not many people are doing it, so optimize it right now before it's go quite competitive, because we need to see that if it's there and not competitive, then we need to take an advantage, because we are looking for a gap in the market. Like there is a gap people are looking for, not many people are doing it. That means the competition low, demand is high. That's the way you want to target to get more sales. So I hope that this video is really useful to you. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you selling greeting cards? Are your designs are optimized for the greeting cards or not? And what is your strategy behind print on demand business? Leave a comment below and let me know. I would really love to hear from you. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.